A lawsuit involving the misspelling of a Senate candidate's name saw its first hearing today. The judge's ruling, there's nothing more he can do.
That's the basis of it. Katrin Asaph joining us now live at the Pulaski County Courthouse with what happened and what the candidate Jake Bequette has to say about the results today.
Well, Bob, Laura, the lawsuit that was filed by Bequette claims election fraud. It hasn't been thrown out, but Pulaski County Circuit Court Mackie Pierce says that he doesn't feel that he should take action right now because he believes the situation has already been solved. Now, earlier this week, Republican Senate candidate Jake Bequette filed a lawsuit against the Arkansas Secretary of State and various other election officials. He says when early voting kicked off Monday, he was made aware that his name was listed as Jack Bequette in both Phillips and Craighead County primaries. In the lawsuit, he also claims that Craighead officials knew about the error on April 28th and Phillips May 6th, both before early voting began, but the name wasn't fixed. Both counties have since either corrected the name or are in the process of correcting the name, leading Judge Pierce to hold off on action as he says he wasn't willing to do more at the risk of further confusing voters. Bequette reacted to the hearing, saying he feels that more can be done.
They should send notices to every single registered voter in the state of Arkansas clarifying this because there's confusion.
The attorney for the Secretary of State's office said all other ballots for Arkansas counties have been checked, and they're all correct with Jake Bequette. Judge Pierce said he did find it disturbing that the counties had known for days of the issue, but didn't have it fixed until after early voting had already began. Now, earlier this week, the Secretary of State had released a statement saying that they did discover the issue in Craighead County on April 28th and immediately told officials. He said it was disappointing that they hadn't previously fixed the issue. Now, we did reach out to election officials from both Craighead County and Phillips County, but we either haven't heard a response or we're told because they are listed in the lawsuit, they didn't have any further things to say. Reporting in front of the Pulaski County Circuit Court, Katrin Asaph, back to you.